180SX diff that was getting Nismo 2-way LSD installed. Finally picked it up. Came home with fresh. Sandblasted the whole thing and painted the housing. Looks brand new. Nismo 2-way LSD kit came with the Nismo oil, but since I had to break it in for a little bit, I'm putting some leftovers cheaper oil to break it in, since I had to drain it after. So I can put this, I don't want to waste this oil to break it in. So I'm gonna put this in and install it on 180. I'm gonna start driving it every day so I can break it in, because you don't want to drift it and put much torque to it before you break it in. I want to drift it already. Today I installed the AEM bigger fuel pump, changed the spark plug, going to get registration soon. Let's get this on the ground, start driving it. I have so many parts still I have to install. I gotta go get registered first. I already got Origin 55mm rear and front mount, radiator, water pump, thermostat. Gotta install boost controller. I have 5-block conversion, all OMD front knuckles and whole setup. Should be ready to go after that. Trying to make it to Ebisu Matsuri, summer Matsuri. Less than a month, so coming in, cutting close. Gotta install this first. Let's put this gear oil. I will just loosen this and fill it up till it comes out of here. I didn't know till today, but I always used 1/2 inch. This part, but this square isn't 1/2 inch. It's 2 mil bigger, so it's easier to strip. But I still didn't get the right tool for it. I was scared it was gonna strip out, but it was really tight. Got it open though. Fluid is barely coming out. That means its fluid is till this level. I mean, that's how it's supposed to be. Good to go. Put a little bit of liquid gasket, since this doesn't have a packing gasket. Diff is ready to go in. Kind of stopped raining, so it's perfect time. Just do it right now. That was not easy. Well, it wasn't hard, but it started raining, so I'm soaked. But I want to finish it since I put it back in finally. After 2 weeks, it's beyond jack stand. So I got the car already on the ground, and I lifted the rear so I can start the car, put it in the gear, warm up the drivetrain. I can't drift yet, but I want to start putting miles on this diff so I can break it in. Whew. Feels so good to have the car off the ground. Barely off the ground on the jack. I gotta start the car, put it in gear. Start warming up the drivetrain. Just leave it running for a little bit. I gotta clean some stuff and I gotta go test drive real quick just to make sure nothing, I put it back right, no weird noises. I can't slide yet, unfortunately. We're back on the road. This rain sucks. Just can't even plan a day for it. It randomly just rains. And randomly just is sunny. No, it's never sunny. Ooh, the cardboard I was laying down. Look at that. I was soaked. I don't even want to sit in the bucket seat. I finally put diff in my 180, back in the 180, and finally be able to test out the short shifter Cube Speed sent me. So we're gonna go test drive and do a little donut, see how it feels. Yeah, test drive. Let's go test drive. Yes. And I drove it earlier a little bit, but man, it's huge difference in how tightly it goes in, smoothly it goes in. I used to not like the short shifter because of how too firm or too short, but this is perfect. I can't wait to drift it. But we're gonna go cruise a little bit and gonna slide a little bit after. I got the Nismo 2-way LSD installed, and that thing is awesome. Unlike welded diff, it doesn't lock up all the time, and if you don't give it gas when you turn it. Man, I love how it shifts. I'll give you a rundown from first, second, third, fourth. Nice and short and tight. Usually older shifter, worn out shifter gets sloppy right here even when it's in the gear. But look at how it won't barely move. Stays in gear. When you're drifting and when the shifter is worn out, that's when you would misshift easily. But this, how it stays in gear firmly, are unlikely to misshift. Oh, barely moves. I know the worn out shifter gets sloppy right here, even into gear when you're driving. We're gonna go to the big parking lot and the first gear donut, and that will shift up the second. See how short and easier or better it is to shift while you're drifting. If any of you guys are looking for a short shifter, definitely hit them up. cubespeed.com.au. I'll put their link in description also. As well guys, they were for sending this out. They also provided 10% coupon for you guys. If you wants to get short shifter from Cube Speed, use coupon code Kota10. And I'll put that in link in description right here. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed and learned how to install short shifter, at least on 180 SR, but most of the Nissans are pretty similar, so you should be able to learn from this video. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like and comment and subscribe, and I'll see you on next video.